We spent 3 months in the Perth office before coming to site, setting up our safe work procedures and also overseeing our maintenance procedures for once we got to site and the plant was running. We went through our tooling to make sure that once we got to site, we had a full workshop set up ready for our team that we were currently recruiting while in Perth as well. So we're definitely seeing the benefits of having all our PMs produced and developed before getting to site. So as soon as we did turn the dry plant and wet plant on, we had our PM schedule run out to start maintaining things from day one. Most sites, being this early on in the game as well, do not have a lot of procedures in place that we already have, maintenance schedules in place. Having the spares that we do in the stores has made it easy to maintain the plant when we need to. We're not trying to chase our tail at the moment where, we've hit the ground running as soon as we got here. And through early preparation, forward thinking and innovations with our maintenance strategies, we are achieving a higher plant availability.